Okay, I be storytelling to you now because I'm going to show you the back of my place where I'm living up here in Maui Meadows, because it's kind of cool in that it leads to bugs. Do you like bugs? Well, if you don't like bugs, maybe you don't want to watch this, but it's going to be interesting from a photographic standpoint. So check it out. Here's my room up there, and I love it. There's a solar cell there that spins a motor every day when the sun hits it. And this is the way to the backyard. So let's take a little journey. Okay, so here we go. That's the room, and here's the journey. Past the lemon tree, into my pattern testing site, where I drop water off and see the splat patterns that it makes. And there's the lanai up there. I should show you the lanai. My lemon's hanging up. And here's the coconut tree. Let's go visit the coconut tree. Yeah, real live coconuts right here. Isn't that something? Okay. On with the journey past the avocado tree, where the birds like to play. And this is the mango tree, or something. What are these things? I can't quite tell what they are. But there sure are a lot of them. Maybe they're mangoes. And this tree, I'm not sure what this tree is. And this bush, I'm not sure what this bush is either. But this is the bush of interest. It's a very special bush with very special flowers that somehow fit into my math plant series. Can you see how they would? But the best part of this plant is down here. What's eating them? That's my friend, the caterpillar. And he's got a wife and a kid somewhere. It looks like he's nibbling away. Alright, so this is going to be an interesting shot. I want to see if I can get close up and get him eaten. Having his breakfast and getting me in the shot, without getting too overexposed from the sun. I wonder how much of that you're getting, because I'm not looking at the monitor now, I'm shooting blind. So, let's take a look at this clip and see what we've got. And of course, we'd be remiss if we didn't point out the pails. Somebody was growing something back here. And there sure is a lot of great land from here to the house. And here's a garden that once was, perhaps. The remnants of the pots. And then there's the neighbor's little cabin. You never see anybody out of it. Or the people next door once in a blue moon. And the main house is down through the trees on the other side there. Let's go take a look at the main house. Yep, there's the main house right there. And we come up this way. There's Lanai. And let's see, am I over the edge? I think I am. I like to sit there. I had dinner there last night, right over there. And of course, here's the great coconut tree. And here's a periscope. I'm not sure what this periscope is all about. So, off we go back home, James. And we'll see what this looks like if the motion is pretty smooth. That would be pretty cool. Don't you think? If the motion is smooth, that would be pretty cool. And here oh, John's gone. Check it out. There used to be a truck here, but now there's plenty of room on this table. Oh, where I have to get my coffee cup. And I'd be remiss if I didn't get us back to where we started on this beautiful aloe plant and its offshoot. Okay, it's a take. Okay, so I come inside to my workbench and I have this realization that I could pack Lynn's birthday gift in here. And so I did. It's a lei of cookies and candy. Something sweet and simple and not too fattening. And also, there's a chamois for cleaning your eyeglasses. Really great. This thing is great, this material for cleaning eyeglasses. I'm going to give one to Mom too. So for now, this is Peter saying aloha from Maui. This is for Mom's new chariot. Bye. All right, here's the chamois number 1. Chamois number 2. That's a wrap. Aloha.